Alright guys, so we're going to do a catch and cook of a wood pigeon. So I caught these in a barn. They were nesting in the loft and I caught 6 of them. So I released all of them but this one. Wanted to demonstrate that you can clean and eat these. They're commonly ate by many people around the world, just not something we eat as often here in America. So I'm going to dispatch this, clean it, and show you cooking it over a open fire. Also on this wood pigeon, they are in the dove family. And you can see this one's alive. You can see the large breast area, and it's going to be kind of like a small chicken. So we're going to have to cut off the wings, cut off the feet. Then we're going to have to pluck everything and then gut it, and we're going to roast it over an open fire. So I'm going to get some of that taken care of, and we're going to show you how it goes. So stick with me, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have dispatched the pigeon. Alright, so one of the things we're going to do is I'm going to remove the head, and then we're going to remove the wings. So the way I'm going to do that is with the axe, chop off the head, remove the wings, and remove the feet. So because YouTube doing what they're doing, I'm going to do this off camera, so we got no blood on there for that part. So I'm going to remove those items, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so got that part taken care of. So in the breast area, which is where the good portion of the meat is, you grab the wings from the underside and pull upward, all the feathers, and they come off crazy easy. And you can save those as a resource if you need them for anything. I mean, you're pretty much, that's down. You can see this is one bird, getting this knocked out very quickly. As you can see how quick this process is, much easier than a lot of your other food type birds, such as chicken, turkey. These feathers come out very easy. Alright, and what I'm going to do is, because there's a few small hairs in here that really small fine type stuff, I'm just going to take it over to the fire, dangle it over the heat, and kind of singe off some of those fine little hairs. I'll do that directly before I cook it. So you see, we have a fairly good portion of meat right there. That's a pretty decent chunk. So what you want to do is, like with most other animals that you're processing, you'll find right here, directly below the breast, there is an area there that has a natural kind of bone right there. So there's the, and then you'll see the anus, and then what is the tail. So we're going to make a incision right below the anus area in that meat, and then we're just really going to take our fingers and pull all that out. know how much of that you guys are able to get. There's heart and lungs and all that other stuff you could save. Obviously, if this was a survival situation, that's what we'd be doing. Going in from the top, pulling out other extras. Got the feeling this one isn't going to get promoted too much by YouTube, so it's going to be up to you guys, huh? So I'm going to get all those pieces out of there. Pretty sure that was male parts right there. Alright, so I'm going to cut off this little section that would be considered the anus. Now we are about to the point to get ready to cook. So I'm gonna get a little closer. And guys, take a look there. There's a pretty good chunk of meat on this bird. That's pretty much all meat. So I'm gonna get this over the fire, singe off some of those hairs, and I'm gonna adjust the camera so you guys can see that. Be right back with you. Alright guys, we're still out here working on it. All the research I done suggested cooking these medium rare. If you cook it well or full medium, then it's too tough, so you want it a little pink. So I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning on that. I end up mixing a little bit of butter in with that Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. So I'm going to put that on, and we'll keep working on it. Stick with us, guys. Alright guys, so on this catch and cook wood pigeon, I've just pulled it off the fire here, and we're going to give it a taste test. I'm going to go right for the meaty breast area. And I left the skin on. The skin is just pretty much fat. So you're really going to benefit from that, especially in a survival scenario. You don't waste anything. All right, here's one of the back legs. Plenty of meat, and ain't nothing wrong with that animal. So, next time you get the opportunity to try out some wood pigeon, go for it. Plenty of food on here for one person. Alright guys, thanks for watching on this episode here of Catch and Cook Wood Pigeon. Don't be afraid to try new things. Just because our current culture says these types of meats or these animals are not things that you typically eat. Plenty of people all around the world do it, as well as our American society in early America. We ate a lot of these small game type animals. That's what sustained us to be able to be the society we are today. This commercialized farming that we call food now that you get at the store, that ain't it. You want to taste some real meat? Go out and catch it or find it yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.